पणजे बाय इलेक्शन जातले आणि आम्ही आयकलां की तुम्ही कॉन्टेस्ट करतले म्हणून.
Yeah. Yes, I'll be contesting these elections, Sanjay.
पण गोवा फॉरवर्ड अलायन्सान आणि तुम्ही गोवा फॉरवर्ड व्हाईस प्रेसिडेंट.
So that is the reason I don't want basically an embarrassment to be caused to Vijai Sardesaai.
Okay.
So how the MGPs, there's a problem between the MGP and the ruling coalition. So that is the reason I have decided that I will resign from Goa Forward to contest Panaji.
केन्ना रिजाइन जातले तुम्ही?
I will be meeting Vijay maybe tomorrow. So once I meet him, then I'll speak to him.
फाटले खेप 2017चे विधानसभा वेंचणुकेन बाबुशाक 6,855 मतां पडिल्ली जाल्यार सिद्धार्थाक 7,924. सिद्धार्थ 1,069 मतांनी जिखिल्लो.
रिस्क बिकॉज सिंपथी आहा न्हू थंय कॉन्स्टिट्युएन्सीन ऑफ परिकर.
See, most important thing you require in Panjim, you require a person of vision. Parrikar had a vision. So I want to basically carry on the vision, whatever Parrikar had a vision for Panjim. I want to carry on the vision for Panjim.
Okay. But last time you lost against Siddharth, and after Siddharth asalo.
See, last time I don't consider I lost against Siddharth. I lost against Parrikar. Because if you go to see last time Parrikar basically for the last 7 to 10 days he campaigned rigorously in Panjim.
Okay.
And that was the time Parrikar basically told the people that you look at my face, vote for me. You don't bother who the candidate is. So I lost against Parrikar.
Okay, this time you can defeat anybody in Panjim.
No, I am here. It is not a question of defeating anyone. It is a question of what Panjim needs. Panjim needs someone who has got a vision. Panjim needs something that Panjim needs a change.
Okay.
So it is ultimately it is for the voters to decide who is the best candidate for them.
Okay.
Okay. Yeah, thank you.
हे खेप खंय बाबूश पर्रीकारान पणजे खातीर पळयल्ले विजयन फुडें व्हरतलो. गोवा फॉरवर्ड म्हणटा बाबूश अपक्ष रावता जाल्यार ती ताची मर्जी. गोवा फॉरवर्डान खंय ताका पणजे बीजेपी आड गोवा फॉरवर्डाची उमेदवारी मेळोवंक शकना म्हूण क्लियर केला.
एक डिसिजन अशें आहा की म्हाका जाल्यार दिसता तूं एलायन्सान आसून तूं एलायन्स पार्टनराचेर उबें रावप हें खंयचेच म्हळ्यार कोलिशन धर्मान दिसना. आनी हांवें सदां म्हणलें आमची कर्म आनी धर्म हो जुळूंक जायना. इट कॅनॉट बी conflicting each other. So Babush Monserrate's decision to contest, I cannot stop him. Any individual is free to contest any election. But from my party, it was not possible. So in a way, he has saved me the embarrassment which my other alliance partner is facing in the coalition. I can only say this. On his intention to contest, I don't want to comment. But I can only say from an angle that when he shows an inclination to resign from the party, to contest as an independent, I think that saves me the embarrassment which MGP is facing in the alliance. So in a way, I am thankful that this decision is taken by him to resign and then contest.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चीफ रिपोर्टर लौकिक शिलकार.